Hey, welcome back to Cool Guitar, and Peely is back once again, and this time it's gonna be Agent Peely from Season 2 in Fortnite. And once again, here is my full pencil sketch, and it's a little bit fast because it's being shown in 2 speed. And then after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this. So here's my sketch underneath, and let's simplify this and draw it with a Sharpie line by line. So to begin, we're going to start out with his eyes, and his head is pretty much the same as all the other versions of Peely. So we're going to start out with the top of his eyes. Let's draw 2 lines like this first. Okay, and then from there, just kind of drawing like a half circle right underneath. Looks like this time he looks a little bit more serious. Alright, and then from there I'm just going to draw in 2 little circles on the side here. And then let me shade in the rest. So that's going to be my highlight. If you make it all dark without the highlight, sometimes it looks a little bit creepy. So it's always good to leave a little bit of highlight for any kind of eyeballs. Okay, and then from there for his mouth, just come down right in the middle. Just draw a little bar. And I'm gonna run it over again, just to make it a little bit thicker. Alright, so that's pretty much it for his features. So now let's draw in the bottom of his head first. So just come out to the side right here. Right on top of the eye, you can make 2 little points. And then I'll slant all the way down, past his mouth. So this is gonna be going down all the way to his neck. And then from these corners, just come in. So that's the bottom, and then now let's go up. We'll continue with this line here. Just go up a little bit and then we'll stop right there. And leave a little bit of space because there's gonna have those banana peels on the side. So we're gonna continue this. Okay, and then we're gonna dip it back in. And then let's just go ahead and finish up the tip right here. So I'm just gonna go straight up. And then close it off with an angle. Okay, and then on the bottom right here, just add 1 more line. Alright, so that's the tip, and now let's finish up the banana peel right here. So on this side, we'll just curve it out. And same thing here. Curve it out and then just close it. And then on the corner here, just come in. So we can see the back side, just kind of go back into the banana. Okay, so on this side, it's gonna curve a little bit more. Okay, so we're gonna dip it down. And then same thing here, we'll just follow that curve all the way out. Close it off. And then same thing here, I'm gonna start on the top. Just curve into the head. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the head, and then for the body it's pretty easy because he's just wearing this suit. Okay, we're gonna start right here on the corner. It's got a really big collar coming down, so we're gonna curve in toward the center. Okay, and then let's draw in the shoulders. We'll slant down. And then now we'll pinch it in all the way down to his waist. So just come past this. And let's continue down. Now we'll flare out slightly. This is gonna be on his hip. And then just come in with a slant. Just leave a little bit of space in the middle. And then from this point, come straight down. And then now we'll angle it and just connect everything up. So that's gonna be the shape of his suit. Okay, so let's draw in the little bow tie inside. So right in here, just gonna draw like a little box. And then on the sides, we'll just flare out and then just close it. Flare out on the corners and close it. And let's go ahead and add a little bit more detail, just line inside for the folds. Alright, and then for his shirt, just whatever space you have here, just come down straight. Just draw a line there. Okay, and then now for, let's see, the collar for the jacket here. Just start in the corner. Just kind of curve in. And then we're going to come back out. Same thing on both sides. And let's come toward the center again. So these are very easy details to draw because now that we have the overall shape. And then here I'm just gonna draw 2 buttons. And then on the pocket right here, just draw 2 lines like this first. And just make that into a rectangle. And if you want to add in a little bit more detail right here, it's got a little handkerchief. So just draw 1 line and then just pretty much like a little triangle. Okay, so that's the body, and let's add in his arms. So his armpit's gonna be right around here, so just come down. You make 2 little marks. Here's his shoulder coming down. Bicep, and he's wearing a suit, so it's gonna be kind of straight. Go back to the armpit. Here's his elbow. We can actually add a little line for the fold on the suit. And then now we're just kind of pretty much coming down almost straight. You just come back in toward the body a little bit more and then just close it off. His shirt inside, just 1 little rectangle. So let's draw in the other side and then we'll draw in his hands. So this is gonna be pretty much the same. So here's his shoulders coming down. Same thing here, just kind of extend it, and again, here's the elbow. Come back in toward the body a little bit more. Close it off, and then same thing here for the shirt, just 1 little section. Okay, and then for his fist, for his thumb, let's come down with a little hook. Here's the back of the fist. And then just dip it down and hook it back into the thumb. Okay, same thing here. Little hook. Back of the fist. Dip down and hook it back up. Alright, so that's the upper body, and then now for his pants, again, it's not a lot of details here, just a suit pants, so just slacks. So in the middle, just draw a little curve, and I'm gonna start on the outside here. Just curve and then go back to the center here. Curve in. So this is gonna be his knee. So let's draw on the other side first. So it's very form-fitting. Okay, and then now we're gonna start up here. We'll flare out just slightly and then just come back in. It's kind of tight on the bottom as well. Okay, so let's draw this side. We'll flare out slightly and then just pinch it back in. Okay, and then for his shoes, very easy to draw. We'll start on this side, come down. This is gonna be the all the way up to the heel. This side here, we'll just kind of curve out and then curve back down and then close it off. So we're seeing it at an angle. And then now on the top here, continue this line, just kind of go over a little bit. Makes it look a little bit more 3-dimensional. Okay, so same thing here. It comes straight down. And then this side will curve out. And then we're gonna curve back down. So 1 smooth curve. Close it off. Same thing here, right around this curve. Just kind of come back in. Okay, and then let's see, lastly he's got his little pistol right here. So let's draw 2 lines for a little strap. And then right here, this one's easy, right? Just add a little rectangle. And then for the pistol itself, just a little square around top. Alright, so that is it for this very cool and smooth looking peely. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.